Hello everyone, this is David and welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to record this video in order to introduce myself and my channel to the ones who are new here. So my name is David and I'm 21 years old. I live and study in China, but actually I'm not Chinese. I was born in the country called Uzbekistan. It's an Asian country and I guess most of you know that. So as for my channel, the name of my channel is Coding Destination, as you can see. And here in my channel, I just want to share my knowledge on programming with everyone who wants to learn that. So nowadays, you can just find a lot of projects that can really boost your programming skills in my channel. And actually, I want to have a channel where you can just learn and practice any programming language. So more and more projects on the programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, Kotlin, Swift, all of them are coming soon, and I'm really working hard to just make a lot of tutorials on the YouTube. So I hope that I can do that. And also, if you have any questions, you can just ask me in the comments below, or I just put the links of my social accounts below every single video I make on YouTube, so you can just contact me there. So I just hope that my channel is useful for the ones who want to learn programming language. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So, and also you can just share the videos that you find useful with your friends who want to learn programming. And that's it. I just wish best of luck to everyone in your journey, to each of you in your journey on learning programming language, and never ever give up. So happy coding.